What happens to your body if you fast for 36 hours? Imagine waking up and feeling lighter, clearer, and full of life, all in just 36 hours. Your body can actually heal, clean, and reset itself faster than you think. From burning stored sugar, to tapping into fat, to activating deep cellular repair. If you're over 50 and you've been feeling tired, heavy, or low on energy, this video might change the way you see your own body, because what happens at the 30th hour will truly shock you. Let's see what really happens when you fast for 36 hours. After 4 hours. After 4 hours, your body stops digesting food. Insulin drops, and it starts burning stored sugar for energy. But here's where things get interesting. At this point, your stomach is finally empty. The constant flow of insulin that spikes every time you eat, it begins to fall. And when insulin drops, your body switches gears. It starts looking around for a new energy source, and the first thing it grabs is the stored glucose in your liver. You might not feel anything dramatic yet, but inside your body, something powerful is starting. Your blood sugar begins to stabilize, your energy levels become more even, and your mind starts to feel clearer. Think of it as your system finally taking a deep breath after hours of constant digestion. The gut gets a break, inflammation slightly decreases. Your body no longer wastes energy digesting food. Now it begins the process of balancing. Some people even notice that their bloating starts to go down at this stage. What's really happening is that your body is preparing for the next phase. It's learning to survive without the constant incoming fuel. And this simple pause is exactly what sets the stage for the fat burning and healing to come. So even though you might just feel a little hungry, your body is already working smarter, not harder. After 8 hours. After 8 hours, blood sugar starts to drop, and your body begins using stored glycogen for energy. This is when your body quietly moves into survival mode. Since there's no new food coming in, it begins to break down glycogen. That's the stored form of sugar in your liver and muscles. For most people, glycogen stores can last about 8 to 12 hours, and as they run low, your body begins shifting away from sugar and starts preparing to burn fat instead. You might start to feel a light emptiness in your stomach, maybe a little fatigue or mental fog, but that's completely normal. What's happening is that your body is learning to become more efficient. Your insulin levels are now lower than they've been all day, and with that drop comes a rise in fat-mobilizing hormones like glucagon and adrenaline. These help your body unlock the next fuel source, fat. Interestingly, your brain also begins adapting. It slows down sugar use slightly, protecting your energy balance. Some people even report sharper focus and calmness around this time as their blood sugar stabilizes. So even though your stomach might be growling, inside, your body is doing something deeply intelligent. It's reorganizing its entire energy system. You're no longer running on quick sugar bursts, you're transitioning into a cleaner, more sustainable energy mode. And that's where the magic really starts. After 12 hours. After 12 hours, fat burning begins. Insulin decreases, and your body starts shifting into ketosis. At this point, your body is officially making the switch. You're entering the fat-burning zone. Glycogen stores are running low, and for the first time, your body starts tapping into stored fat as a primary fuel source. This is the moment your metabolism wakes up. Insulin continues to drop, which gives your cells the signal. It's time to start burning fat for energy instead of sugar. You might feel a gentle wave of hunger or a bit of lightheadedness, but that's not weakness. It's the transition. Your body is learning to use fat more efficiently, and as it does, small molecules called ketones begin to form in your liver. These ketones are like clean energy for your brain, heart, and muscles. Around this time, many people describe a strange sense of calm and focus. It's because ketones fuel the brain differently, more stable, smoother, without sugar crashes. Your digestive system also continues to rest, which helps reduce inflammation and gives your gut a chance to heal. So even though you've gone half a day without food, your body isn't starving. It's upgrading. You're literally teaching your system to run on its own stored energy, turning fat into fuel. This is the real beginning of transformation. After 16 hours. After 16 hours, autophagy is activated. Your body starts breaking down damaged cells and toxins for recycling. This is where fasting stops being just about burning fat and becomes about healing. Around the 16-hour mark, your body switches on one of its most fascinating processes, autophagy. That word literally means self-eating, but don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. What's happening is that your body starts scanning for old, damaged, or weak cells and begins breaking them down, recycling their useful parts to create newer, healthier ones. Think of it as your body's built-in cleaning crew finally getting to work. All the junk that has been building up from stress, processed foods, or lack of sleep, it starts being removed. This process doesn't just refresh your cells, it also helps protect you from future diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart problems. Scientists often call this the reset button of the human body because it literally gives your system a fresh start from the inside out. You might feel a mix of lightness and alertness now. Your energy feels cleaner, your mind calmer. Even though you haven't eaten for quite a while, your body is no longer desperate for food. It's busy repairing. It's taking all the energy that used to go to digestion and redirecting it toward regeneration. So, 16 hours in, you're not starving yourself. You're cleaning house. Every cell is getting stronger, your system is healing, and your body is beginning to feel younger from within. After 24 hours, major cellular repair begins. Your body is now fully in fat-burning mode, reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. You've officially reached a powerful milestone. 24 hours without food may sound extreme, but inside your body, something beautiful is happening. You're now in full fat-burning mode. Your cells have completely shifted away from using sugar, and your body is pulling energy straight from your fat stores. But that's just the surface. Deep down, major repair work has started. Your cells are working like a team of engineers, fixing damaged DNA, repairing mitochondria, and improving how your body handles insulin. That's why people who fast often notice better focus, lighter energy, and even less joint pain around this stage. Inflammation, the silent cause of so many health problems, finally starts to drop. Your blood becomes cleaner, and your organs, especially your liver, start detoxing at a higher rate. Emotionally, this is also the point where many people begin to feel proud. That initial hunger and restlessness fade away, replaced by calm energy. Your mind feels steady, your mood balanced. Your body is proving that it can function, even thrive, without constant eating. Right now, your system is not just surviving, it's optimizing. You're teaching your metabolism to become efficient, your cells to communicate better, and your whole body to perform like it was designed to. At 24 hours, you're not just fasting, you're literally rebuilding yourself from the inside out. After 30 hours, growth hormone spikes, preserving muscle and accelerating fat loss. Deep healing mode begins. At this stage, your body reaches a point most people never experience. Deep healing. You've been fasting for over a day, and by now, your system has completely shifted gears. Growth hormone, one of the body's most powerful repair agents, starts to rise dramatically. This hormone is what helps preserve your muscle while pushing your body to burn fat even faster. So, despite not eating, your body isn't breaking down. It's actually protecting and strengthening itself. You may start to feel a calm kind of energy, not that jittery, caffeine-like boost, but a deep, clean focus. Your body is now using fat as its main source of fuel, and the steady stream of ketones feeding your brain helps you think clearly and stay alert. The fog that used to come from sugar highs and crashes is gone. Internally, your organs are working in harmony. Your liver is processing toxins more efficiently, your cells are communicating better, and your immune system is rebuilding its defenses. You're literally entering what scientists call a deep healing mode. Even inflammation in your gut and joints starts to fade, giving you that surprising lightness you can actually feel. And here's the best part. Your metabolism is not slowing down. It's smarter now. Every system in your body is running cleaner, leaner, and more efficiently. 30 hours in, you've moved beyond just burning fat. Your body is healing, repairing, and evolving into a stronger version of itself. After 36 hours, maximum autophagy occurs. Your body clears out dead cells, regenerates tissues, and boosts metabolism. You've just given your body a full reset. This is it, the peak of the fast. 36 hours without food sounds tough, but right now, your body is doing something absolutely incredible. It's in full repair mode. Every cell that's been damaged, every toxin that's been sitting around, your body is clearing it all out. Maximum autophagy is happening. Your system is recycling old material, building fresh tissue, and renewing itself from the inside. Your immune cells are being refreshed, your skin cells are regenerating, and your metabolism is working more efficiently than it has in years. Even your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside your cells, are being repaired and multiplied, giving you that deep, natural energy that no supplement or coffee can replicate. This is your body healing itself the way it was always designed to. You might feel lighter, sharper, even strangely peaceful. That's because your body is no longer busy fighting inflammation or struggling with digestion. It's using every bit of energy to restore balance. Many people describe this stage as feeling reset, as if their body just got rebooted. And that's exactly what's happening. You've just given your system a full cleanse, mentally, physically, and even hormonally. You didn't just skip meals, you unlocked your body's ability to repair, rebuild, and restart. 36 hours later, you're not the same person who began this fast. You're stronger, cleaner, and more alive than before. And here we are, 36 hours later. You've traveled through a journey your body rarely experiences, from digesting your last meal to switching fuel sources, activating deep cell repair, and finally reaching full reset mode. You've unlocked a process that few ever truly explore. This isn't just about skipping meals. It's about giving your body the time and space to heal itself, to clean, to rebuild, and to emerge stronger. Fasting is a choice, and when done safely, it's a powerful tool. It teaches discipline, self-awareness, and respect for your own health. You've seen how your body shifts, adapts, and thrives without constant fuel. Imagine what it could do if you made this a regular habit, not for punishment, but as a gift to yourself. Comment below if you found this helpful. So here's my question for you. Would you try a 36-hour fast? Not just to burn fat, but to truly give your body the chance to reset. Share your thoughts below, and let's start a conversation, because health isn't just about living longer, it's about living better.